It's claimed that a new remedy cures 82% of the patients with a particular medical problem. This remedy is to be used by 115 patients, and it's assumed that the 82% claim is true. Find the probability that exactly 90 of these patients will be cured. Based on this information, 115 patients, exactly 90, cured or not cured. We know this is a binomial distribution. Here is a binomial distribution formula. This n is the number of trials. This p means probability of success or desired probability. In this question, n equals 115. Desired probability is the probability of being cured, which is 0.82. X follows binomial distribution with 115, 0.82. We are looking for probability of X equals 90. Let's go to binom PDF. Menu 55815. Probability of success is 0.82. X value is 90. Enter. Answer is 0.0535. Let's go to B. Find the probability that at least 95 of these patients will be cured. This desired probability is still 0.82. We are looking for probability of X greater than or equal to 95. This time, we need to go to binom CDF. Menu 55. Go to B. 115. P is 0.82. Lower bound 95. Upper bound 115. Because totally there are 115 patients. Answer is 0.491. Let's go to B2. More than 20 and less than 50 of these patients will not be cured. This time, the desired probability P equals the probability of not being cured equals 1 minus 0.82 equals 0.18. So we will define another variable y follows binomial distribution with 115 or 0.18. We are looking for probability of y greater than 20, less than 50. You need to change this into equal sign. Probability of y greater than or equal to 21, less than or equal to 49. Then we go to binom CDF. Menu 55. B 115. 0.18. Lower bound 21. Upper bound 49. Enter. Answer is 0.509. Say, find the variance in the possible number of patients that will be cured. This P equals probability of being cured, which is 0.82. We got to use this formula. Variance equals 115 times 0.82 times 1 minus 0.82, 17.0. The probability that at least n patients will be cured is less than 30%. Find the least value of n. We are looking for probability of x greater than or equal to n less than 0.30. Let's check back B1. Probability of x greater than equal to 95 is 0.491. We can get started from 95 patients. We just need to check 96, 97, 98, 99 until 115. Let's get this binomial CDF for 95. Then go up, change this 95 into 96, enter. Change this 96 into 97. Almost there. Change 97 into 98. Enter. 0.222 less than 0.3. So n equals 98. Because the probability of x greater than or equal to 98 equals 0.222. So n equals 98. A clinic is interested to say if the mean recovery time of their patients who tried the new remedy is less than that their patients who continued with an old remedy. The clinic randomly selects some of their patients and records their recovery time in days. The results are shown in the table below. The data is assumed to follow the normal distribution, and population variance is the same for the two groups. A test is used to compare the means of two groups at 10% significance level. State the appropriate null and alternative hypothesis for this t-test. You need to go back to check what this clinic wants to know. They want to see the mean recovery time of their patients who tried the new remedy is less than that of their patients who continue with the older remedy. Keywords here is less than, which means this is H1. HO will be equal to each other. Therefore, we will write down H1 first. H1, the mean recovery time of all the patients with the new remedy is less than that of all the patients with the older remedy. HO, the mean recovery time of all the patients with the new remedy is equal to that of all the patients with the older remedy. F, find the p-value for this test. Let's put this data into spreadsheet. So click on 1. No. 4. Spreadsheet. PQ. Type in the data. After you put the data, put the cursor on an empty cell. Go to Menu, 4. Two sample t-test. 4. Data. Enter. List 1. Double-click this right arrow button. P. Q. Alternative hypothesis. Less than. Polled, yes, because the population variance is equal to each other. Enter. You need to write down all these 3 information down. T equals -1.64. P-value 0.0620. Degree of freedom equals 14. T equals -1.64. P-value equals 0.0620. DF equals 14. State the conclusion for this test. Give a reason for your answer. Here is the rule. Please reject HO. P-value is 0.0620. Significance level 0.1. Less than. Reject HO, which means you write down H1 with the significance level. The mean recovery time of all the patients with the new remedy is less than that of all the patients with the older remedy at the 10% significance level. H. Explain what the p-value represents. P-value is the probability of obtaining observed results when HO is true. Explain what the significance level represents. Significance level is also the probability of rejecting HO when HO is true. You can compare p-value and significance value so that you can remember these two together. Both you have HO is true. Both are kind of probability.